Here we are working on a Briggs and Stratton motor today. This is one of their V-twin 24 horsepower engines. It got some froze up valves. Gonna figure out why. But, you know, who knows? When you get stuff like this little goodie right here. See that? That little rubber. Deteriorated rubber. Deteriorated rubber. That's a breather. There's pulsations going in and out from the crank, and it sucks the fumes out of the crankshaft area, the crankcase. And when it's busted like that, that means it's pulling raw, pure dirt into the engine, getting right past the air filtering system, and that's not good for any engine. This one here, this bank over here is going bad. It's bending push rods, got froze up valves. I'm gonna be pulling it off, checking out, see what failed. So we'll get back at you later. This is one of Briggs and Stratton finest on a Craftsman GT DYT 4000. 400 and something hours on it. We'll be back.